Corey get though.
And then in safety cars we got fire extinguishers too. We got two types of fire extinguishers. The ones you hold in your hand and spray. And then some cars have one, you just press a button and pull it in and they say the car will get sprayed with extinguisher. So you have to look at this helmet. To protect your head, it's very important. The lane in here is also fireproof. Just pass it around.
We are very...
That navigator one.
No, that's me. Both of them have been intercoms because the car is pretty low. So in order for him to hear me and me to hear him, everybody has an intercom. I'll show you the other piece of safety car when you're in.
All right, get in there. Ready to go.
It's basically it feels pretty heavy, but this material is to help protect you.
Correct.
Like a Sharif, right?
Run! You're wanted.
Yeah, he got over there.
Rallymaxx TV.
That's right.
There's the keys. I'm about to something else.
We find out.
Go up the stairs. Hello. Let me take your picture.
Are we getting ready for it?
Go on, get him.
Okay,
I should get him. He's determined enough.
Watch your leg. Kevin, that's Kevin.
Kevin.
All right, sissy. All right, girl. Yeah.
All right.
look at this here.
All you got is
My name is Rico Gazette, and I'm going to show you how to on the car.
Okay, go ahead.
First, you take the iron right click, and you push it down. See that on thing. And then you flick up this one, then you flick up that, then you press this one. And then it on.
And I will start it?
Yeah, like this one. That's it, phone.
No problem.
I will let you in now.
All right.
Well, you just see what happened here? Last one.
Ready, one. All right, 2, 3. Give yourselves a round of applause.
On behalf of the Rallymaxx drivers and the ZOS website, we would like to extend thanks to the Nightingale's Children's Home for giving us this opportunity to give back to the community. Thank you.